Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TPM 2.0 on RAZER Blade 15. To enable or disable TPM, which means Trusted Platform Module, and is required in order to, for example, install Windows 11, you need to be in the BIOS. Which, if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS, and once that's done, you can go to the Advanced tab and find Trusted Computing, then click on Enter, and now find Security Device Support, click on Enter, and now you can set it to disabled or enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.